Hi, I'm Colin, a planner with the San Francisco County Transportation Authority. We're here at the corner of Mission, 13th, and DuBose Streets, one of many intersections in the city's south of Market neighborhood where freeway on and off ramps meet our city's streets. As you can see, with people driving, walking, and biking, things can get a little tense. So we're conducting a study, together with SFMTA, to explore ways to improve safety at these intersections for everyone. We'll focus on a total of 10 intersections, including Mission and 13th Street, as well as places like 6th and Brannan, 7th and Harrison, and 8th and Bryant. At each intersection, we'll recommend safety treatments, things like bulb outs at corners, improvements to crosswalks and signals, and maybe looking at reducing the number of lanes to calm traffic. We're conducting this study through 2018, and we'd love your input. We want to hear about your experiences at these intersections and any ideas you have to improve them. So please visit our website to learn more, and you can take our survey. Together, we can make these intersections safer for all of us.